Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles using pancake mix. You can transform your favorite pancake mix into fluffy, crispy waffles with just a few simple adjustments. The key is to add a bit more fat and an egg to your standard pancake batter. This helps create that perfect waffle texture. We'll also adjust the liquid to get the right consistency for your waffle iron. To achieve that ideal waffle texture, you'll want to add a couple of key ingredients. For every 1 cup of dry pancake mix, incorporate 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or melted butter. This extra fat contributes to crispiness. Also, add 1 large egg per cup of mix. The egg provides structure and richness. Finally, reduce the amount of liquid by about 1/4 compared to what the pancake instructions suggest. Once you have all your ingredients, mix them gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles. Before pouring your batter, make sure your waffle iron is fully preheated. This is crucial for achieving a crispy exterior. Cook each waffle until it's golden brown and steam no longer escapes from the sides, indicating it's done. Your delicious homemade waffles are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings like syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream. If you happen to have any leftovers, they freeze beautifully. Simply pop them into a toaster straight from the freezer for a quick and easy breakfast later. And hey, while you're enjoying your meal, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that could truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.